guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a cool video, and that is 6 prom dresses off of Amazon that are under $100 that hopefully look amazing. So I have not taken a look at these dresses other than this one right here, but let's get into it right now. The 6 dresses off of Amazon for prom season. This is the very first one, and I'm gonna give you a full length shot in just 1 second. So this first dress here, I got in a size medium. It is emerald green in color and feels like a silk kind of material, but it's not silk because it is stretchy, and it's definitely a knit kind of material, like a jersey, shiny material. It cost around $60. It features kind of like a cowl neck design and a V in the back. And I actually really like this one. I think it's really nice and elegant, and I think it's actually quite sophisticated if that's the look you're going for prom. I am 5'8", and this is the perfect length on me. I could use a little bit of a heel and still be okay. If you're shorter than 5'8", you're good to go. Because you can always get it hemmed a little bit if it's too long. But if you're taller than 5'8", this is not going to work for you. The last piece is that, again, I got this in a size medium, and I do have a little bit of love handles, a little bit of a stomach, and I feel like this draws attention to those areas. So if you're really thin and skinny and small, you're good to go in this dress. And if these are kind of your problem areas like me, then you know, you might consider a different style dress, or you might want to wear shapewear. But yeah, I love the way the bottom is. I love how it flows. It's so elegant. The price is right, and the color is beautiful. So I rate this one probably a 9 out of 10. Okay, so over to the next dress now. The next dress we have is actually the same style dress, but it's a completely different material. It's gold and black lace, and I'm gonna try this on. So just 1 second. So this is dress number 2. It features the exact same cowl neckline. I will say this dress fits amazingly well. Like, I think it doesn't have the same problem in terms of this kind of midsection that the green dress had, and the thicker material just kind of sits really nice. So the cowl neckline, again, this is not something that sits perfectly, so you need to be okay with that, but really no cowl neckline will. The back has a nice V. Personally, I wish the V went like down to here, because I think that would just be the perfect kind of blend of like high class, sophisticated, classy, and like sexy, I guess. But yeah, it fits really nicely in basically everywhere. The height, again, perfect for me. I could probably wear a heel and it would be okay. Yep, I could wear a 3-inch heel with this and it would be fine and good to go. And that means that it is probably a dress that's gonna work for someone 5'8", or a little bit taller, or a little bit shorter, without really needing adjustments. So I would rate this one actually a 10 out of 10. I really like the way that this fits. I like the material. It feels, it's actually, oh my gosh, I just realized, this is not really lace. This is like lace effect. That is so hilarious. It's not true lace, but nonetheless, I love the way that it looks. This was $63.99, and I got it in a size medium. Medium was definitely the right size. And for under $70, this is a steal. Like, seriously, a steal. I would even consider buying this and then getting it adjusted in the back to be lower if you wanted a more kind of sexy look. Okay. On to the next dress. Sequin, nude, and black dress. I really like mermaid dresses, guys. I had a mermaid dress for my actual prom. You can see I have a bit of a trend here. So I'm gonna try this on for you, and we'll see how this one fits. So here is the next dress on. This is definitely the type of dress you would want to wear with your hair up, because there's a lot going on in the bottom part of the dress. They actually did make it pretty nice. I feel like it fits nicely. The sequins are nice. Kind of reminds me of some different period in time, like Gatsby. Is that a thing? I feel like it's that kind of style. I think the only part about it that I'm not the biggest fan of is the sleeves. I don't feel like they look all that nice, but the rest of the dress looks really elegant and pretty. Other than that, it fits really nicely. The sequins are nice. I like the bottom part of the fishnet. I know if I were to steam this, all these wrinkles would come out. The dress is made pretty well. Again, like the last dress, I wish it had like deeper V's in the front and the back, because I feel like that would actually make the dress so much different. Can you imagine the V came down to like here? I feel like for prom, that would be so perfect. Like if it just came really low in the front and the back, and then it like hugged all the curves and stuff, that would be good. But yeah, I'd rate it maybe a 6 for me. If this is actually your style, I'd rate it a 9, and I would say change the sleeves, take it to a tailor, get the tailor to fix the sleeves. For the price, let's see, I paid $51.49 Canadian, which I think is really good. I got it in, this is supposed to be pink and black, and it was a size medium. So right size for me, right length for me. I could wear a little bit of a heel and it would still be good. 5'8" again. So yeah, that's what I would rate it. The next dress I have for you guys also has sequins, except it really has a lot of sequins. So this is this pink dress here. I got it for $79.99, and I got it in a size medium. So I'm gonna go hop on in this one. Oh, and this one has the deep V's that I'm looking for. So we'll see, hopefully it looks nice. Okay guys, so here is the sequin sparkles all over dress. I think, okay, it's tight, but that's okay. It's just not long enough. Like, can you see the bottom here? Whoop, whoop. I would need to be probably, I don't know, a lot shorter than I am for this to be okay. I wouldn't buy this unless I was shorter than 5'5". Maybe 5'5" would be good, or shorter. And then in that case, this would be like really, really V on you. But I like the top V, I like the back V. I do like how like fitted it is. You can tell this isn't like the best made dress, and it's also kind of like poking me, not all over, just like at the arm seams. Not really here, but just mostly at the arm seams. Would I wear this type of thing to prom if I was shorter and this fit me? Maybe I would. I would probably add a little a little belt in here if I was wearing this to prom, because that would hide the only seam that makes the dress look a little bit cheap, and that's this seam in here. But like it just looks kind of, I don't know, not the best in here. So I would get a little like bling belt and tie that over it, and then it actually would look really nice. I'm just thinking if I was short and this is fitting me right. Yeah, it would look nice. So if that was what you're gonna do, and if you're shorter than 5'5", I would rate this probably, and this is the look you're going for and everything, I would rate this probably a 9 with the belt, and if you're short. But if you're not 5'5", and you're like me, and it's just like the dress as is and everything, I'd say like a 4 or a 5. So that's how drastic the difference can be here. Online shopping. But yeah, it fits really like form-fitting, just too short. It just doesn't work on me. The next dress I have for you has many sparkles, and I'm really excited for it. It is an off-the-shoulder sequin galore ombre dress, and this comes in numerous different colors, guys. I picked this one because I thought it was cool, but it came in like gold and black and variations like that. So I got this one. Let's see for how much, and I'll tell you the size. So I got it in a medium, and it was $73.99. So let's see how this looks on. Okay guys, so this dress I actually really like. I think 5'8" is the tallest you can be for it to not be too short with flats on. And I feel like this is not the type of dress you would want to wear with flats. You would want to wear heels. So I recommend this if you are shorter 5'7" or shorter, this is gonna be a good dress for you. The sequins, if you touch them on the outside, are actually kind of pokey, but from the inside, they're not at all. I love the way that you tie the one shoulder strap and that it's out of chiffon. Super like elegant and just super pretty. I feel like it fits really, really well. It doesn't bunch anywhere. I think the ombre kind of transition to silver from red is really gradual and elegant. I like the cut of it. Like if I just was a pinch shorter, I feel like this would be perfect. I really, really like this. What do you guys think? Do you like this one? Like again, if this is gonna fit you because you're a little bit shorter than me, I would rate this probably a 10 out of 10 because for the price, you're not gonna get a better dress than this. It has the shine, but not too much shine. It's really dense with sequins all over, which I think makes it look more expensive. Fits really nice. The arm strap's really elegant. Now I just tried it with my hair down, look. And I had it up in a bun before. I actually think this would be nice if you did a really proper like ponytail actually. Yes. What do you think? I think this would be a style. I feel like you could walk the red carpet in this. Like this would be, so I'm recommending this. This is a 10 out of 10, A+. And the final dress I have for you, similar, because it has the sequins, but this is more patterned sequin. And I got this in a size medium. Let's see how much it costs. $48.99, so just under $50. I can tell though from the picture, I can't say it looks exactly like the picture does. I think that's a little misleading. Yeah, but we'll see how it looks on. I'm gonna show you. But this one, I'm just loving right now. This one's A+. So this is the final dress, guys. I have to rate this 0 out of 10. And the reason why is because there are many reasons. It is way too short. This might be okay if I was like, no, this would never be okay. I don't know, maybe if you were really short, yes. Okay, if you were like 5'3", this would work. But there's more that make it bad. So first of all of this sequining just looks cheap. Second of all, there is no boning to keep this up. So it's just like, whoop, whoop, whoop. Like it's not structured at all. There are pads, but there needs to be boning in here. Third of all, just like, what is going on here? This is just doesn't look good. It just looks cheap. The back lace up also just doesn't look very good. It has that issue with like the back flap behind the lace up, just like flapping around and it not really sitting pretty. These straps for tying are way too long. Yeah, I'd rate this just all in all, it's super scratchy, doesn't look elegant, doesn't look pretty, it just looks cheap. Just looks kind of like you tried to go for like a gold mermaid-y kind of look and it failed. So this is probably my least favorite dress of all of them. I think you know by now my favorite one was the red and silver one. That was one strap, super pretty. I love that one, highly recommend. This one, worst one by far. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Let me know down below which one was your favorite or which one was the one you hated the most. I hope it was this one because like, guys, honestly, it's rough. So yeah, if you want to see a video that I did on cheap Amazon dresses that are bridesmaids dresses, check that out. I'm gonna link it up top and down below. And if you want to see the video that I did, which I'm equally as excited for, that is on Amazon wedding dresses that are cheap. I'm gonna link that right now and down below. Check those out. Okay guys, until next time, bye!